This webinar will be covering aspects changing of setup times in the schedule. Let us begin. On the left menu bar, we select Production, then Schedule. Our schedule window will now open up. For this exercise we will consider Workcenter M06. When running a product that uses the same tools, one after another, there is no longer a setup time needed for the jobs following initial job setup. In this case, we will reduce the setup times for the jobs following. To do this we select the pencil or edit icon on the schedule. We then either right-click on the job you wish to edit, or we right-click on the machine center on the left side like this. We select Edit Setup Time and this window will appear. Select the job or jobs we wish to edit the setup time, and ensure the time is set above. In this case we will allow 10 minutes to change palettes and job cards, etc. Once complete we select OK and in the next engine refresh, the schedule will change accordingly. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.